Hello and welcome. This is your instructor, Michael Madrano, and I wanted to show you this short little video here as you're preparing for your APA workshop. Just a few resources that I want to direct you to. Um, if you're in Canvas on the in the class module, in the class Canvas page, if you let me backtrack here. If you're in modules and you scroll, and this is possibly review for the class. So, sometimes it's good to here we go. Sometimes it's good to brush up on this kind of stuff. So, if you click on course resources, it'll take you to various web sources. I'm not going to click on here just for the brevity of the video, but just wanted to point out again uh, what what we have to offer for you. So again, here are web links to the apastyle.org for tutorials in APA. If you're still battling APA, I understand it's different from MLA, um, but not so much different. There's also a citation machine where you can feed your citations of quotes that you want to integrate into your paper. Um, so you may have to join or uh, to use this website, and most of them are like that, where they'll offer you like a free week to join. Let's just click on that real quick though. Citation machine, and so as you can see here, it offers you what they do. And as you can see, automatically, oh, that's something else, just an advertisement. But you have a citation machine. It can scan your paper. It can help you to create citations. Uh, it helps you with unintentional plagiarism, with sentence structure and style, punctuation. So it also works as a grammar tool as well, which is pretty nice. But then here we go. This is exactly what I was talking about. As you can see here, you have an options for the free account that you have some of the uh, offerings, not all, but if you join for $9.95 per month, and I think this is helpful if you're in school for the long haul to get the unlimited. That might be very doable for you, especially if you are an English major or if you are an education major, and you're going to be writing a lot of papers going forward. So I just wanted to direct you to that. The second thing I wanted to direct you to is this is what actually came up on a Google search, but this is straight up from a. If you can see here, this is from the library at DeVry, but it came up on a Google search, and this is an APA format checklist, and I'm going to link this for you. I'm not going to go through all of it because it's 8 pages, but just wanted to give you a rundown. So here we are at the sample paper research paper title page and what it should look like. And if you're looking at the sample papers that are already provided for you in the files, in the supplemental materials files, all of this is going to be reviewed for you. But it's nice to have this handy as a page, as a website. So I'm going to link this in the uh, in announcements and also in the APA discussion um, that's happening right now, and I'll be commenting on that discussion in just a bit. So, okay, so I just wanted to go over those materials with you. The library.devry.edu, the APA checklist, and also the course resources. So provided for you on um, in Canvas, and looking forward to reviewing your comments and discussions and grading your assignments. Thank you. Have a good day.